G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of the Dirt Road Home. In the last couple of episodes you've seen us setting up the site, moving out here in our caravan, and now it's the exciting time. We're actually going to start the actual construction. So what you're going to see in this video is the actual site set out, so very precise. I'm going to be using all these timbers here behind me to cut up some profiles and some pegs, knock those in at all the wall intersections throughout the whole build, mark it all out, and then tomorrow, or maybe even later today, we'll come in with an excavator, mark it out and start scratching out, take all the vegetation off the top here just to get rid of the topsoil, and start putting in our footings for our slab. So watch your space, exciting times. Right, so the first thing that I like to do as part of my set out is actually get the longest wall of the house down. So I'll string a line where the longest wall is going to be. Once I've got that one line into position, then I take another longest wall off that at a 90-degree angle. So you set that up. Once you've got your cross of your two main long walls, then you can measure back off those for all your other walls. So I'll do that now, and once that's set up, then I can set some profiles up around the place and start marking it all out. Alright, so the set out's going pretty good. I've already started marking out some of these walls to the garage and the long walls of the house that you can see. I've probably got about 3 or 4 profiles left, and then I'm just about done. So what I'll do next is shoot the drone up, and I'll do an overall footprint where you can see the house completely laid out. Exciting times. And this morning I got the cutest little helper with me. Check out my apprentice. You want to say hi to everyone? Hello. Makes the day nice. And the kids help out. So now the guys are just dropping in the sewer treatment plant. So you can see where they're digging a hole there. That's where they're going to drop the tank in, and that's where all the effluent will be treated and then pumped out up to the top to that area that we were clearing there the other day. There you go guys, that's the end of the episode. You got to see our site set out take place. We've now marked out where the house is going to be positioned on the block, ready for our excavation. And you also got to see our sprinkler system or our sewer treatment plant go in. So basically the guys dug the hole, dropped in the actual tank that's going to treat the septic, and then put the sprinkler system up the top there, just so I can pump out any of the residual effluent. So a good little system. We wanted to put that in first just so that when we set up our temporary toilets and everything else, we don't have to worry about taking chemical toilets and containers, you know, off site and dumping them elsewhere. We can actually now put all our waste into that actual system and treat it throughout the build. So very happy that we've got some septic out here. We're now starting to feel a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, civilized, I guess. So yeah, very happy with that. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Up next, in the next episode, you're going to see our excavation actually start to take place. Quite excited about that, breaking ground for the first time. So yeah, if you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you stay up to date with all the episodes, and follow us on all our socials, Instagram, Facebook, the rest of it, to stay up to date in real time. Thanks guys, I will catch you next time. Cheers.